Hi guys, welcome back sa ating channel. Welcome dito sa Numista Coin Finder. So ang ating tatalakayan ngayon ay ang Liberty Quarter Coin 1987p. So this coin, the USA $1/4 1987p, is part of the Washington Quarter series minted over the period from 1965 to 1998 as a regular circulation coin with a mintage of approximately 582.5 million. This specific year saw high production, reflecting a robust supply in the numismatic market. Coins from this era were mass produced, and those are relatively common compared to earlier quarter. Market demands and value analysis. Due to its high mintage and circulation coin type, the 1987p Washington Quarter generally carries minimal collectible value unless it is uncirculated or proof condition. Collectors' interest tend to favor quarters with errors, rare mint marks, or exceptional condition. Therefore, its market value is typically close to face value, fluctuating slightly depending on its condition, with higher prices for coins in MS65 or higher grade. So ang physically features nito, thickness 1.75 mm, diameter ay 24.26 mm. Ang weight ay 5.67 grams. So ito pa ay galing sa USA. Mintage nito noong taong 1987 ay 582,499,481 na piraso po ang pagkagawa. So ito po ay copper nickel plated copper. So non-magnetic po siya, hindi po siya namamagnet. So guys, papaalala ko lang sa inyo, kung meron kayong gantong barya na may mga rare condition, gaya ng double print or your doble yung pagkaka-press kanya, yung pinaka-rare na baryang $1/4 ay yung walang year na ginawa, walang 1907, walang date kailang ginawa, o wala tong maliit na P sa gilid niya. Ito, so kung meron kayong ganito guys, binibili ko siya sa halagang 300 pesos, depende sa kalidad ng barya ninyo. Ang ito ay visible pa ba yung mga detalye niya, walang mga sira, walang mga bura. So guys, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Abangan nyo po ang susunod na upload ko. Huwag kalimutang mag subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa bawat video natin ilalabas. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Salamat.